How to download the Filki app on your iPhone. If you have been looking to level up your content game with AI voiceovers and video generation, Filki is a game changer. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the Filki app. First, go ahead to your App Store, tap that blue icon with the white A, you know the drill. Now at the bottom right, tap Search and then type Filki. Hit Search. You scroll down, you can see the Filki right here. Now tap on Get. You might be asked to authenticate with the Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. Once confirmed, the app will begin downloading immediately. Wait for a few minutes. Once it's installed, tap Open and boom, you're in. Now you can start creating AI-generated voiceovers and videos right from your phone. Now if you're new to Filki, go ahead and sign up for a free account right inside the app or log in if you already have one. And that's it. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on more powerful tools for content creators. Thank you for watching.